Bicycle video mere yesterday. Makando, Tiger Base and Ebubago. Biarana one mama. Well, polo innocent youth. Only in a shop here. I don't want to call their name, and I don't want to bring their pictures because in the most Natojo, the villagers Natojo. That is why they cannot even speak out. Hana Tojo, I will bring the pictures of those boys. Only in a shop here. Habi Ozubo, by Black Ozubo, Bologna. Just name people them dead. Now treat people anyhow they like. Marandimo State. If you keep silent, you die in silence. Une keep go silent enough. Some of them are told you because why the higher told you open a hatch no go and expose. When they will come to your family, they will wipe your family away. And you must say na told you, but they don't want you to go to how many years ago they born? Una now silenced. Habia bolo no ya bolo. Una bebe lo ngono. Half a week of a machine, Hanonia machine, when I have a bill of machine with 1 million naira, 3 million naira, 500,000. No man go market him that. But when you keep silent, you die in silence. Is the time that you speak out. Or to go too much. As I'm talking to you like that, Ndande Bubago and Tiger Base, Bulona 8 February 8, 2025. How can on the moon on Polo? Almost go for a law. On a hand turn back now. Some of them will be go to hospital. They will leave family. I survive. On the guy one. That is a wicked generation. And the governor name is Shono. Hope us name is Shono. I have said it before. Operating on Imo State. Nande Bugo your innocent brother or your sister. Nahambulo your brother. Onyaka Docha. This is my WhatsApp number. Send me the picture of that person on WhatsApp. Call me on WhatsApp. Call. Yes, I'm talking about the innocent one. I don't make you kidnappers you. Mondoshi, no, I'm not talking about that one. Obunoji don't want to get born a Soshi. My born a Mihojo. Don't call me. I don't need that car. I don't need it. I'm talking about the innocent one. Call me. This is my WhatsApp number. All to get enough. You want to go with the next target. When you are keeping silent, you don't know. Maybe tomorrow you put the next target. Tomorrow your friend or your brother will be the next Hagebukwa. Our Igbo youth, the innocent one, Hanahu every day, Nimo State. They are slaughtering them. The other guy, they use their hand, killed. Yes. Where carry machine? Only can carry machine. That machine, they will take it. They will take it on their own. They may sell that machine. Eat the money of the men. Opening on Imo State. Those people, innocent people, have a wusili. This is my WhatsApp number. Send me their pictures on WhatsApp. Those innocent people have a wusili. Manda haboro kanonu polo. Manda haboro haburu polo. The innocent one. Send me their pictures. Enough is enough for the innocent people now in Imo State. Enough is enough. What?